murid-murid kakak sedang sibuk mewawancarai orang tua dan saudara-saudara mereka untuk mencari tahu apa saja sih pekerjaan mereka selama ini. Itu adalah sebagian tugas yang kakak berikan untuk mereka. Mereka juga akan ikut memikirkan apa yang akan mereka lakukan jika mereka sudah besar nanti. Hari ini mereka akan menyerahkan semua tugasnya pada kakak. Kita lihat yuk perbedaan dari masing-masing tugas mereka.
My mother is happy to be a teacher because she loves to teach children. My father also helps children. He's a doctor. My dad works in a hospital. Children go there when they have been hurt or when they are sick. My dad works many hours at the hospital. Being a doctor is very hard work, but my father knows that what he does is very important.
Thank you, Leah, for telling us about what your parents do. Is there anyone else in your family who works?
Yes, my brother and my sister work. My brother is a cook. He works at a restaurant.
How many hours does he usually work?
He works 12 hours a day.
That's a lot. What does your sister do?
My sister is a nurse in the hospital where my dad works. She works very hard.
Is it easier on the weekends?
No, there is more work on weekends, but less at night.
And does she work as hard as your father?
No, she works fewer hours than my father. He works harder than she does.
Thank you, Leah.
And now,
Mary.
Thank you, Miss Liz.
My dad is a farmer. My mother, my grandfather, and my grandmother are farmers too. It's very hard work to have a farm. My father starts work at 6 in the morning when he feeds the animals and collects the eggs. He works in the fields until 4 in the afternoon with my grandfather. Then my dad feeds the animals again and collects more eggs. There are fewer eggs in the afternoon. He finishes his work at about 6 in the evening. He works every day and evening, but there's less work in the evening. There's always lots of work to do on a farm. So when I'm at home, I'm a farmer too.
Thank you, Mary.
Menarik sekali ya, kita bisa tahu berbagai macam pekerjaan yang dilakukan setiap orang. Nah, kita cari tahu yuk, apa saja sih yang murid-murid kakak pelajari dan mau jadi apa mereka nanti.
Alright children, let's begin. What kind of work do you all want to do when you grow up?
Leah.
My sister is a nurse, and I would like to be a nurse too. My sister's job is important. She helps people when they're sick. I want to help people too.
I think you will be a very good nurse, Leah. Sammy, you go next.
Well, I love listening to music, and I think it would be wonderful to be an orchestra conductor. The conductor is a person who gets all the musicians to play the music together in the best way they can. It's always good when people work together.
That does sound like a wonderful job, Sammy. Mary, what would you like to do?
Leah's dad is a doctor, and I want to be a doctor too.
But I want to be a doctor in the country to help the people who live on farms and in villages. They work so hard and they need doctors.
A country doctor is a very good idea, Mary. How about you, Nancy?
What would you like to do?
I love to read, so I would like to be a librarian. A librarian helps teach people to love books so they can learn many things. That's important.
You're right, Nancy. That is important. What about you, Brian?
Miss Liz.
I'm not sure because there are so many jobs I like. I think that I would like to be a teacher like you and my parents. But I also want to be an artist and paint and draw all the beautiful things I see. But I also want to be a pilot and learn to fly a plane.
Well, Brian, those are all good jobs.
But you don't have to decide now. Now, you have to go to your next class.
Wah, ternyata Brian banyak sekali yang maunya. Kakak juga yakin kalian juga pasti banyak ide cemerlang yang ingin dilakukan. Dan kakak juga yakin kalau kalian bisa memilih yang terbaik untuk kalian sendiri. Mari kita lihat kembali bahasa Inggris yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini. Dan kalian juga masih punya banyak waktu untuk belajar bahasa Inggris.
I am a student. I work hard. Takes about 2 hours. Less homework. Have more time. How many hours? What does your sister do? My sister is a nurse. More work on weekends. Less at night. Fewer hours then. Works harder than. My dad is a farmer. He works in the fields. There are fewer eggs. He works every day. Less work in the evening.
Sampai jumpa lagi ya, dan jangan lupa untuk terus berlatih bahasa Inggris kalian. Dadah!